Can you solve this tricky radical root SAT math question? We are given the following expression: the square root of 64% minus 8%. At first, some people might think this is simple. They might say, the square root of 64 is 8, so this becomes 8% minus 8%, which is 0%. So the correct answer must be choice B. But is that really correct? Let's look at it more carefully and solve it step by step. We must remember that the percent means the number divided by 100. So, 64% is the same as 64 over 100. 8% is the same as 8 over 100. So our expression becomes the square root of the fraction of 64 over 100 minus the fraction 8 over 100. Now taking the square root of the fraction 64 over 100. The square root of 64 is 8, and the square root of 100 is 10. So the square root of 64 over 100 is the fraction 8 over 10. And now our expression becomes 8 over 10 minus 8 over 100. In order to subtract these two fractions, they must have the same denominator. Thus, multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 10, we get 80 over 100. Now subtracting the numerators, 80 minus 8 over 100 gives us 72 over 100. So it is not option B, but is it option A or option C? Let's write this as a fraction. As always, we can express any percent as a number over 100. In this case, we have 72 over 100. Oh, that matches exactly what we found. So the correct answer is option A. It is not option C. Option C would represent the fraction as 0.72 over 100, which is not the same as 72 over 100. Therefore, it cannot be the correct answer. So we have found our answer and successfully solved this problem. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you again in one of my next lessons. Take care.